sorry, the camera fell. So hey guys, and today, it's me again. So today, I'm just gonna show you how to get rid of hiccups. I have those a lot of times, so like on my last video I was hiccup. So maybe I feel like today I should like show you how to get rid of them. So, but I don't know. Well, there's only one way that I know. Only one way. How would I say first way? So, the only one, to me, the only one way is, like, when you have hiccups, you have to, I have two ways. Now, the first way is, like, not breathe. When you do this, and then when you hear something, like a sound, that's when your hiccup's gone. And the second way is, drink water, like a lot of water, and like a lot of water in the same time, and then it will make like your throat stop hiccuping. So that's all. Bye guys.